Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a very lovely, pretty, cute makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and I'm just going to get right into the video. Without any further ado, I'm just going to start doing my makeup. So I hope you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, follow my social medias for more content. I am back using the Rimmel London foundation in the shade, it's a medium coverage, 200 soft beige, and I'm just going to be applying it straight to my face with a beauty blender that's slightly dampened from my sink. I feel like this is the perfect combination for my skin. This foundation is perfect. I don't need to mix it. Like, this beauty blender and the foundation work so well together. They blend like a dream and I absolutely love it. If Rimmel wants to sponsor me, I'd be so happy. Rimmel, if you're watching this, I'd love to work together. Like, it's so smooth, it applies so softly, it smells so good. Like, this is the best smelling foundation. Like, this foundation honestly smells so good. It smells like flowers. Like, it just, I think it smells so nice. It has a beautiful scent to it. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. concealer in the shade light beige. I'm going to be using just a small amount on my forehead and on my chin. I'm just going to be blending out my concealer with my beauty blender. I let it sit for a few minutes just to give it that lift and the brightness to just be perfect. I'm just going to be blending through. I have my mirror here, so if you guys are wondering why I'm looking into the palette, I'm just looking into the mirror. Perfect. Contour stick, and I'm just going to contour. And I always do here as well. Ran out of my Rare Beauty, so I'm gonna use this SheGlam blush stick. I always do blush on my forehead as well.
From Primark, just for a little bit of highlight. And I'm gonna blend it all out.
You guys know Nicole Miller Bronze Glow Getter palette. Giving my face that oomph, extra lift. It's really summery, really glowy. I'm gonna add highlight because I need a bit of highlight. And then I'm going to just fluff it all out. I went with a really light, like beigey white color just to set the base for my eyelids, just so I don't like lose out on a lot of pigment from the shadows that I'm going to apply. I'm just gonna make it nice and smoky up the top. This is Revolution. It's really smoky. I like it. Obviously, blush has to be pretty. And it has to pop. A little black shadow under the eyes. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna be using MAC Mahogany, I believe it's called. But face spray, Mario Badescu. And I'm gonna fan it out because your girl gotta fan it out. Fan it out. And this is the complete makeup look.